IRS CPAs are a dime a dozen. Every firm on TV or the internet claims that they're an expert at IRS representation as they repeat what they read as if it was their original information. Real IRS CPA representatives have a lot of knowledge and sound professional judgment. This comes from experience, not from memorizing what they read in a tax guide. Do you have a tax problem? Do you need CPA representation to help resolve IRS issues? Scared of people misrepresenting their experience and what they can accomplish for you? Can you afford bad advice? I'm Joe Mastriano, CPA, and I've spent my whole 35-year career helping thousands of taxpayers with IRS problems. My CPA firm has an excellent reputation with the IRS and the professional community. You see, the real problem I found for most people seeking IRS CPA representatives is avoiding bad advice, inexperienced advice, especially advice you pay for. Those of you seeking free advice, I have to laugh, and you'll pay for it in the end, many times over. Most of my clients have unsuccessfully sought free advice previously to hiring us. So how do you find an IRS representative CPA you can trust? It's easy to say, do your due diligence, search the internet, but often people unknowingly fall for traps because they don't know what or who to believe. Do not hire a non-CPA firm who has an employee who is a CPA. You will not get the knowledge, experience, and protection that licensed CPA firms give you. Don't defer your own judgment to Better Business Bureau ratings, internet complaints, and fake websites that compare or endorse companies. Later, when you're ripped off and complain, thinking it'll make a difference, you will not get your money back. You may even suffer IRS collection action that will harm you and your family. So here's my advice. Hire a licensed professional CPA firm. CPAs are the highest level fiduciaries, the most trusted and most regulated of all professionals. That is your best protection. Just ask people you know. Ask them about the reputation of a CPA firm and how they're best suited for you from a standpoint of trust and responsibility. Of course, they must have the experience necessary to resolve your IRS problem. We are a licensed professional CPA firm with the knowledge and experience necessary to resolve most all tax problems. We've even represented attorneys and CPAs with IRS problems. Some of what we excel in is making sure your tax return isn't audited, even though you have questionable items on the return. Settling issues involving domestic and foreign income. Unique rules for payment plans that stick. When followed, the IRS has never taken collection action against the taxpayer. And reversing unfair IRS tax return adjustments. Why risk your money and assets with a non-professionally licensed company, regardless of the questionable claims being made on their websites? So with a high Better Business Bureau rating, successful IRS problem solving since 1980, and thousands of successful tax cases, and a professionally licensed CPA firm since 1980, I say the solution to finding a CPA representative before the IRS is to discuss your tax needs with a licensed professional CPA firm like ours to see what can be done for you. I can show you how to never fear the IRS again. Just fill out the contact form or go to the page shown on this video and let's see what I can do for you. Thank you.